In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your audio public on Roblox. Making your audio public on Roblox will allow other people to use your audio. Now, this is a feature that Roblox are going to add recently, so I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do it. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open roblox.com. Now, in here, go ahead and click on that create button, and this will redirect you into the creator hub of Roblox. So in here, go ahead and head over to the creation section by clicking on that creations tab under the home tab. This will allow you to head over into your creation section. Now go ahead and head over to the development items tab and click on the audio tab under the development items. In here, go ahead and click on that upload asset button to upload your audio. Now go ahead and upload that audio from your local file. So after that, go ahead and click on the open button. Now once this is uploaded, go ahead and scroll down and click on that upload button to upload this into your development items library. So once this is uploaded into your development items library, you'll be able to find this on the list of development items. Now in here, go ahead and hover your mouse into the on creator store section and click on this 3 dots. Now this will be someone. Click on that open asset details. Now this will redirect you into the audio store of the creator hub. Now go ahead and click on that 3 dots beside the try in studio button. Click on configure asset, and in this section you'll be able to find settings under this specific audio asset. So make sure that you enable all of it and hit on that save changes button to be able to make your audio public. And that is how you can simply make Roblox audio public. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.